Hi there, how are you? Today's recipe, indulgent chicken finger fries. A super crunchy crust hides the juicy chicken and cheese burst inside. Who wouldn't love that? A simple recipe that you will be able to cook perfectly in your kitchen. Are you a new visitor? Then do subscribe and click the bell icon. For this recipe, I like to use boneless chicken breast. So just wash it and clean it up and slice it up into thin strips. Use a smaller knife with a pointed edge to make pockets in all the chicken pieces. Poke the chicken and just slide the knife down carefully while cutting a pocket. Be patient, and that's how you'll get a pocket. Another one for you. Poke inside and slide down. That's another one. Similarly, make pockets in all of the pieces. Let's prepare a quick marinade for the chicken. 2 tablespoons of yogurt or dahi, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of white pepper powder, you could use the black one, salt, red chili sauce, about a teaspoon of it. Give it all a thorough mix. Pour in the marinade over the chicken. Mix well to coat all the pieces. Best to marinate overnight, but if you are short on time, an hour should be fine. Just cover it and let it rest. This is 3/4 cups of flour. Add in mixed herbs, 1 teaspoon and a half teaspoon of white pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, chili flakes as per taste, salt to taste. Mix it up thoroughly. Keep it aside. Cornflakes for the coating. Just crush it lightly. Not too fine. That looks good. Keep it aside. Take 2 eggs and just lightly beat them. Keep it aside. I'm using some grated mozzarella to stuff into the pockets. Once the chicken pieces have been marinated, time to stuff them. So here's a pocket. Take a bit of the mozzarella and place it into the pocket. Press it close. The next one and repeat with the mozzarella filling. Once they are all done, it's time to coat them. Time to coat the stuffed chicken pieces with the flour and just set it aside. Coat all of them. To complete the coating, we need the beaten eggs and the cornflakes. So coat the chicken pieces with the beaten egg. Drain the extra egg back into the bowl. Drop it into the cornflakes and coat it well, making sure that the cornflakes stick to the chicken. If you like the recipe, do share it with your friends and post your feedback in the comment section. Similarly, the next one goes in and into the cornflakes. Coat well That's ready too. Coat the rest of the pieces with the cornflakes. Once they are all done, just put them in the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes before frying. You could put them in an airtight box and keep them in the freezer for up to a week. Fry the chicken pieces in moderately hot oil. Till they are nice, crispy and golden and thoroughly cooked as well. Some cheese already oozing out. That's done. Take it out. Drain them on absorbent paper. Fry the rest of them. Look at the cheese. Serve the fries hot with mayonnaise and enjoy.